Hello Kayami! Welcome to my channel! I'm back! I take time off for a week only. For today's episode, I'm going to cook this yummy-licious Porksisig! Yummy yummy! If you want to know how to make this, please continue watching and I will show you how to do this. Thank you! Wash the toad pig's head with salt and water. Let's parboil the whole pig's head. I parboil every sections of the pig's head every 5 minutes. When the water is boiling, add the salt, the vinegar, the aromatics, lemongrass, bay leaves, and ginger. After parboiling, I noticed the skin of the pig's head has a lot of hair, so I shave before slicing the cheeks and ears. After slicing, I decided to parboil the head once again because there are some cheeks that's still bloody to remove the foul smell and impurities of the meat. In a bigger pot, add the washed parboiled meats, then the water, enough to submerge all the meats, the lemongrass, the bay leaves, and cloves of garlic, and season it with sea salt and whole peppercorn. When the water is boiling, lower the heat to medium or better low heat. After 40 minutes or fork tender the cooked meat, transfer in a container and let it cool down. Then add the chicken liver in the pot, then cook the liver half cooked. Chop the meat into small pieces and do this to all grilled pork meat only. Chop the chicken liver, leave some chunks for textures. And I mashed some chicken liver with my hands. Add to the mashed chicken liver the calamansi juice or lemon juice and vinegar with the same amount. Then the fish sauce, the nor liquid seasoning, and season with salt and pepper according to your likings. And to balance the flavor, I added white sugar as well. And to add kick of spice, I added chili flakes. You can also add siling labuyo or bird's eye chilies. Actually, with this mixture alone, you can eat now and serve. As pulutan, yum yum! Sisig usually served in sizzling plate. So I added margarine to the heated sizzling plate. Then add the mixtures. And then to add more umami flavors, I added oyster sauce and freshly ground peppers. Here's my version of Pampanga sisig. Manyaman Kenny! good. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, write a comment, and please consider to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!